Welcome back, SolidWorks enthusiasts. Today, we're going to walk through simulating the motion of a racing car on a track using the PathMate motor. Let's get our car across the finish line. Here we have our assembly ready with a PathMate already set up. Our task today is to make this racing car follow the track using the PathMate motor in a new motion study. We'll start by creating a new motion study. Right-click on the existing motion studies and select New Motion Study. Next, we need to ensure we're using the correct type of study. Click on the motion study properties and select Motion Analysis as your type. With our study set, it's time to bring in our motor. Click on the motor icon in the Motion Study toolbar. From the list, choose PathMate Motor. This is what will drive our car. Now select the PathMate that defines the car's movement. This should be the mate that aligns the car with the track. Let's set the direction of the motor. For our race car, we want it to move forward along the track. The last step before running our simulation is to set the speed at 200 millimeters per second, which we will enter into the speed setting. With our speed set, all systems are go. Click OK to close the motor window and then hit Calculate to see the simulation in action. Watch as our racing car follows the curve of the track, perfectly obeying the PathMate we've specified. And that's how you use the PathMate motor in SolidWorks for a smooth and precise motion simulation. Experiment with different speeds and directions to see how it affects the movement of your designs.